Welcome back. These are Katan Hip Beskar armor plates for a Katan cosplay. These are really cool with the Beskar paint job. This is the same paint that's used on the Mandalorian TV show. These are 3D printed in PLA Plus and then painted with a gloss clear coat to give that really cool shine that look like they're Beskar metal. Now you can purchase these on my website at 3dbaywolf.com. If they're not in stock, they take about 2 to 3 weeks to make one, to make a set and have them shipped out to you at really good affordable shipping rates on my website too, which is really nice for customers. And this really gives you a really cool cosplay if you already have one, you want to upgrade it, or if you're looking to build a Katan cosplay. There's a lot of stuff that I do that isn't on the website because by the time I make it, it's already sold. So if you're looking for a Katan helmet, the rest of the armor, jetpack, I can do custom jetpacks where they have smoke coming out with lights, the whole 9 yards. So just send me, if you don't see it on the website, send me a message what you're looking for, if I can do it, and then I can give you a quote and the time frame to get something done for you. So kind of the one-stop shop for all your Mandalorian needs and custom work and all that. There's a couple different options of like ways that we can do the armor, different versions of the gauntlets, you name it, to really have a really cool setup where it's one of a kind, that you stand out when you take your photos or you're going to a convention, whatnot. But like I said, check out the website 3dbaywolf.com. Always happy doing this Beskar paint. See you guys in the next one. This is the way.